Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of Vocab with me, Anmol, in association with my tutorial. Today, we are continuing with the letter H, moving on to its intermediate 50 words. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Hazy, dhundla. The sky is hazy today due to the fog. Hologram. Hologram क्या होता है? The concert feature hologram with lead singer. एक नकली बहुत सारे लाइट्स मिलाकर ऐसे 3D इमेज प्रेजेंट करते हैं आपके सामने. That's called a hologram. सर्च करिए गूगल पर अगर आपको ऑलरेडी नहीं पता है क्या होता है. Harmful. Hanikarak, smoking is harmful to health. Hilarious, hasyaspad. That movie was hilarious. I laughed throughout. Hazard, khatra. The wet floor is a hazard to people walking. Hesitate, sankoch karna. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. Humid, umasdar. The weather is very humid in the summer. Hinder, rokna. The traffic can hinder our progress. Hypothesis, parikalpana. The scientist proposed a hypothesis for the experiment. Hybrid, sankar. हाइब्रिड कार यूजेस बोथ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड गैसोलीन. मिलीजुली जो दो डिफरेंट चीजों के उपयोग कर रही है. होपफुल, आशावादी. शी वाज होपफुल दैट शी वुड गेट द जॉब. हॉरिफाइड, डराना. द न्यूज ऑफ द एक्सीडेंट हॉरिफाइड एवरीवन. हॉरिबल, भयानक. द मूवी हैड अ हॉरिबल एंडिंग. ह्यूमिलिएट, अपमानित करना. ही ह्यूमिलिएटेड हिज कलीग इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरीवन. हार्वेस्ट, फसल काटना. द फार्मर्स सेलिब्रेट आफ्टर द हार्वेस्ट सीजन. हेरोइक, नाय कत्वपूर्ण. His heroic act saved many lives. मतलब हीरो जैसा. नायक, नायकत्वपूर्ण. Hindrance, बाधा. The heavy rain was a hindrance to our travel plans. Historic, ऐतिहासिक. The historic event changed the course of history. Harmonious, सामंजस्यपूर्ण. The team worked in a harmonious manner. Hover, तैरना. The helicopter hovered above the building. अब पानी में तैरने को तैरना बोलते हैं तो उसको स्विम कहेंगे. हवर इज मोर लाइक हवा में तैरना, फ्लोटिंग इन द एयर. हॉटी, घमंडी. हिज हॉटी एटीट्यूड मेड हिम अनपॉपुलर. Holographic. Holographic, the artist created a holographic display of the sculpture. Holograph, noun से adjective derived. Hesitation, हिचकिचाहट. There was a hesitation in his voice before he spoke. Humble, विनम्र. Despite his success, he remained humble. Heed, ध्यान देना. He did not heed her warning about the danger. Hypocrisy, पाखंड. His actions were full of hypocrisy, saying one thing but doing another. Huddle, इकट्ठा होना. The players huddled together to plan their next move. Hinge, संकल. The door creaked because the hinge was rusty. Hostile, शत्रुतापूर्ण. The hostile crowd began to throw stones. Harass, परेशान करना. The students felt harassed by the constant demands of their teacher. Highlight, मुख्य बिंदु, उजागर करना. The highlight of the event was the speech by the president. Hasten, जल्दी करना. The rain will hasten the arrival of the winter season. Hallmark, निशानी. Integrity is the hallmark of a good leader. Habitual, आदत का. She was a habitual reader of mystery novels. Humor, हास्य. He has a great sense of humor that makes everyone laugh. Horrendous, भयंकर. The traffic jam was horrendous, taking hours to clear. Hunger, bhook. Hunger is a serious problem in many parts of the world. Hunch, अंदाजा, झुका हुआ. I have a hunch that we will win the game. Hollow, खोखला. The tree trunk was hollow inside. Hodgepodge, मिश्रण. The kitchen was a hodgepodge of ingredients. Hesitantly, हिचकिचाते हुए. She hesitantly answered the question. Hack, काटना. He hacked at the branches with an axe. Hearty, जोशीला. The hearty laughter of the children filled the room. Heirloom, पैतृक धरोहर. The necklace was an heirloom passed down from her grandmother. Harsh, कठोर. The harsh winter weather caused many problems. कठोर सर्दी का मौसम कई समस्याएं उत्पन्न कर रहा था. Hovering, तैरना. The bird was hovering over the lake, waiting for fish. This is an inflection of the verb hover, hovering. Heist, डाका. The criminals planned an elaborate heist at the jewelry store. Humble, विनम्र. Despite his wealth, he remained humble. Hallowed, pavitra. Church is a hallowed place of worship. Hydraulic, jal vidyut. The factory uses hydraulic systems to operate its machinery. That's that for today. I will see you in the next one.